what is the measure of spread? Let's discuss measure of spread by using range. So what is the range? Range is the difference between the smallest value and the largest value in the data set. We have a data set like 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 15. This is the data set we have, and we want to know the range of this data set. So as I told you, range is a maximum value minus minimum value, difference of the maximum value and minimum value. So we can check what is the maximum value is 15 minus 1. So range is a 14. So the data set, so this data set has a range of 14. Let's discuss what is the use of the range to measure the data spread. Let's discuss how we use the range in the real world scenario and what is the use of the range in the real world scenario. You are a CEO of a production company. Like you are the CEO of a production company, let's steel plant, and you want to know the performance, how your company, how your steel plant is performing, how is the production performance of your all the plants. So you have 3 plants, unit A, unit B and unit C. You have 3 units of steel plant, unit A, unit B and unit C. So you want to know the steel plant performance, whether they are performing in a consistent manner or in inconsistent manner. So how you can know that those things? This is the production capability in Jan, then Feb, then March and then April. Unit A produce 15 ton in Jan, 16 ton in February, 15 ton in May and 16 ton in April. In the same way, unit B produced 23 ton in Jan, then 14 ton in Feb, then 10, then 12, and it produced 14, 6, 5 and 13. And the CEO want to know which unit is performing well, like which production unit is performing well or which production unit performing in a consistent manner. So how you will know, how will you use the range to solve this problem? So as I told you, range we use to know the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value. If we want to know the range for these 3 units, we can use the range. For this range, what would be the range? 16 minus 15 is 1. Here 23 minus 10 is 13, and here 14 minus 5 is 9. So which plant has a less range? So we can see here we have a very less range here as compared to the other units. So we will tell to CEO that unit A is performing in more consistent manner as compared to unit B and unit C. So this is the real world example where we check the consistency of the production unit.